money, love, happiness, abundance. If that is what you're looking for, you can gain them easily by applying one concept to your life, which is the law of attraction. The law of attraction is a popular concept that suggests that you can attract positive or negative experiences into your life based on your thoughts and beliefs. According to this idea, if you focus your thoughts and energy on positive things, you can attract positive experiences and opportunities, while negative thoughts can attract negative experiences and outcomes. As appealing as the idea might be, the notion that simply focusing on what we want will magically bring it to us is nothing short of a seductive illusion. Life is often much more complex and unpredictable than the law of attraction suggests.
Life is complicated, and that's why we need to help each other.
As the saying goes, you attract what you focus on. It's a philosophy that's been popularized in recent years through books and countless self-help gurus. But what if the law of attraction is nothing more than a dangerous myth?
But he's a liar!
In this video, we'll explore the dark side of this popular idea and question whether it's really possible to manifest your desires just by thinking positively. We'll delve into the controversial world of manifesting and uncover the truth behind this popular concept. So get ready to have your beliefs challenged and your mind opened as we explore the hidden dangers of the law of attraction. Manifesting, as touted by some celebrities and influencers, can seem like a magical solution to all of life's problems. Just think positively, visualize your desires, and they will come to you.
And positively and negative, I mean, you attract. Now, not just what you feel, you attract what you feel, what you are, what you attract. What's on your mind? Yeah,
it's like exactly. The law of physics. I don't know how anybody can disagree with that. It's just ask any physicist; they'll tell you that it's true.
I often get inspiration from books, and one book that resonates with me all the time is this book right here. It's called The Secret.
How did that come about? I believe in the law of attraction, and I believe that that you can speak things into existence. And I believe that when you know where you're going and you know what you want, the universe has a way of stepping aside for you.
However, those celebrities who preach the law of attraction are only the minority. What about the majority who believe in the law of attraction? What about the people who invest time and effort into visualizing their goals, attaining a positive attitude, doing everything that they have been taught in order to manifest their desired outcome? But despite their best efforts, they find themselves coming up empty-handed.
But if they turn you away empty-handed, we're gonna soak the windows and dump the garbage.
There is another definition that claims that the law of attraction is based on the concept of vibrational energy. Everything in the universe, including our thoughts and emotions, vibrates at a certain frequency. When we focus on positive thoughts and emotions, we raise our vibrational frequency and attract positive experiences and people into our lives. Conversely, when we focus on negative thoughts and emotions, we lower our vibrational frequency and attract negative experiences and people. When you read that definition, you might think it is scientific theory that's been studied and tested for years. However, the law of attraction is a controversial concept, and there is no scientific consensus on whether it's proven or not. Some proponents of the law of attraction argue that there is scientific evidence to support it, while others argue that it is a pseudoscience idea with no basis in reality. One of the main criticisms of the law of attraction is that it is difficult to test scientifically. So, the most important question in this video is, does the law of attraction work? The answer is not straightforward. While there is some scientific evidence to suggest that positive thinking can improve your mental and physical health, there is no scientific proof that it can attract specific events or objects into your life. In fact, some people argue that the law of attraction can be harmful because it suggests that people who experience negative events in their lives are somehow responsible for them, and this can lead to victim blaming and lack of empathy for those who are struggling. Furthermore, the law of attraction can also lead to unrealistic expectations and disappointment. Just because you want something does not mean you will get it. There are often external factors beyond your control that influence your life. Positive thinking alone will not be enough to manifest your desires. While having a positive attitude and mindset is important to achieve your goals and desires, it's just only one part of the equation. To effectively manifest your desires, it's also important to take actions towards your goals and to have a clear and specific vision of what you want to achieve. Positive thinking can help you stay motivated and focused, but you also need to put in the effort and take steps toward your goals. However, it's important to note that simply wanting something and working hard for it does not guarantee that you'll get it. There are many factors that can influence whether or not you achieve your desired outcome, including external circumstances, competition and luck, and so many other reasons. A commonly asked question among those who practice the law of attraction is, why is this philosophy not working for me? Despite investing time and effort into visualizing and maintaining a positive attitude, the frustrating aspect is that the law of attraction often places the burden of responsibility on the individual rather than on the philosophy itself. When individuals are unable to manifest their desired outcomes, they may be told that they are not thinking positively enough, or lack of clarity, or negative thinking, or timing. No matter how much you search or how many reasons there may be, all the reasons adapt the same idea. Always individuals are the ones to blame rather than the philosophy itself. This can have significant and potentially negative implications that are deemed unfair and disturbing, and can give rise to various problems like blaming the victim, disregard for hard work and effort, unrealistic expectations. The law of attraction might have some truth to it, but it's not a magic solution to life's problems. Positive thinking might improve your mental and physical health, but it cannot control the external events that shape your life. Instead, it is important to focus on the things that within your control, such as your own behavior and attitudes. By setting realistic goals and taking action toward them, you can improve your life and achieve the things you truly desire. Yeah, sometimes even when we put in all our effort, things just do not work out the way we hoped they would. It can be disappointing and discouraging, but we should not let it stop us from trying again. As the saying goes, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. We have to take risks and put ourselves out there in order to achieve our goal, even if it means facing failure along the way. Failure isn't the end of the world. In fact, it can be an opportunity to learn and grow. Every experience, whether successful or not, can teach us something valuable. So, if our first plan does not work out, we should not give up. We should use the knowledge we gained from that experience and create a stronger, more solid backup plan. With each try, we increase our chances of success and inch closer to achieving our goals. As we embark on this new chapter, I want you to know that your opinions, feedback and ideas are invaluable to me. I'm here to listen, to learn and create content that resonates with you. Remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will not miss a single moment of our upcoming videos and adventures.